is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Hello, Southern Colorado. We're coming off a beautiful morning. We're heading into a fantastic afternoon. And to make everything even better, got some of our classic views to share with you. This one is from Steve Shugart in Westcliff. This sunrise is one of the best that I've seen in a long time. So I thought we'd get something pretty to look at before we dive into what should be an active second part of the day, especially those of you out into the plains, but also through some of El Paso County. Pikes Peak looking beautiful and strong with that sunshine, 85 degrees. It's warm. It's feeling a little muggy out there, more so into Pueblo. 87 blue sky. Pueblo, we're going to put you up into the 90s a little later today, but let's take a look around. If you live in El Paso County, east of town, right on the border, is the most likely area for storms to become strong and severe. Now, those of you who live in the darker yellow, that's our enhanced risk. This is the most likely area for the strongest storms. If you live in the slight, like KOAA, Bent County to Prowers County, Baca, please know that storms could be extremely strong and severe late today, but mostly through this evening. Now, there's already a couple storms going. There's a boundary setting up just north of the Palmer Divide. A couple storms will be developing over in northeast Colorado. They are under the tornado watch. Conditions are ideal for storms, none yet, but we also have a pretty good cell that's trying to kick off right over the Palmer Divide. Our modeling sees this, and it shouldn't be too bad. Just north of Calhoun at the moment, it's going to expand and then probably move out of the region after a little while. So in our hour by hour, it knew that cell was going to try to develop and slowly creep out east over the next half hour. So the hour by hour is clearly thinking exactly what we're seeing, and it's got this cell in Los Animas County that'll move to Baca through the afternoon. Now, 3 o'clock, it's going to start to look a little stormy over Colorado Springs. By 4, we will likely see a couple showers and thunderstorms. Teller County right over the top of Colorado Springs. But as storms move away from town, that's what we're more concerned about. So some good cells out in the plains by 5 to 3. Couple thunderstorms still lingering around by 5 to 6. And then by 7, things have moved out of the Pikes Peak region and are starting to push through Otero County, Crowley County as large severe thunderstorms. Isolated tornadoes possible, big hail, but also winds over 60 miles per hour. These will spread east away from Crowley County into Kiowa County, Prowers County through the overnight hours. This is midnight, still seeing storms, and we may be able to kick up a few more showers and storms across the plains from overnight storms that then feed in through the evening. So those of you living out east, could be kind of a long active night, especially east of Crowley and Otero County. Colorado Springs, because we're expecting some isolated storms in the afternoon. 2 on the storm impact scale. It's a weather alert day, and then we do look drier towards tomorrow, but especially Thursday. After today, the next best chance for storms is on Friday and Saturday. Pueblo, seeing plenty of heat in the forecast. You should stay dry today, Pueblo. I feel like storm chances are pretty good on Friday and Saturday. Just a lot of heat to end into the week right there by Thursday. Canyon City, feeling like 90s through your extended forecast. Storm chances are better Friday and Saturday. Could look a little stormy north of town over the mountains through the afternoon. Finally, Woodland Park. Can't rule out a few storms at the end of the day early tonight. Just a 1 or 2 tomorrow, and then much more by the weekend. All right, let's go to break, everyone, but we will be back shortly.